Hello, hello. So today I'm excited to unbox this Lume Cube mobile creator stand. They sent me to this to show it off to you guys, and I'm actually really looking forward to seeing how this all works. The interesting thing about this is it is able to rotate 360 degrees. So my prior stand for my phone could not turn sideways, so I could only use it vertically, which made it challenging for some of the activities that I wanted to do. So today I'm excited to show you what this looks like. Anyways, I'm gonna try to unbox this using two cameras, but you know, that may be overly ambitious, so we're gonna find out. All right, so inside of the box, we have our holder for the phone here. Kind of looks like a belt on the back. We also have the tripod bottom, and it looks like we have this stand that goes in the middle here. And we have a little wrench to help us put it all together. What is this called? Allen key? I don't know. I don't know why I opened this all the way. Lord. All right. I also have a light to go with it. I do not have the microphone. I did not get the kit that has one, but they also have a version that has a microphone with it too, which is fun. Ooh, okay. It's got one of those like silica gel pack things. Nice. So this is what the light looks like. And it's got like this rubber case around the edge of it, which comes off. I'm gonna leave that on just for a sec. It's got the USB, and it looks like a USB-C port. And then it's got the little connector for the light. Now let's put this all together. So for the light, I just screwed on the bottom part here, and kind of it gets a little stuck. Make sure you get it a little tight in there. And then you're gonna slide it onto the top of your Lume Cube and then tighten it down so that it all stays together. Okay, so I forgot to realize that this light works through battery charge, and so it needs to be charged up. So I plugged in the USB, and so it looks like it's at 70% actually. So let me see if I can just leave it in for a moment and turn it on and let it work its magic. Okay, it is charged up, and I do have the light turned on and my camera turned on. So I feel like there's too much light happening in here. Let's see if I can show y'all what this looks like. Inception. So the light's pretty bright on the top actually, and when I hold it out like this, I actually think this is much better at vlogging. Say hi to Gibson back there. Than actually my other camera. It's a lot lighter. This battery is supposed to last, the light battery, up to 2 hours. To turn it on, you just press and hold. And the beauty of this, is that you can turn it lengthways for like Instagram stories, or you could just set it down for Instagram stories and still have a well-lit talking to this like y'all could see me. You could still have a well-lit mini studio. So this is actually very cool. And the other side of this is where you could attach a microphone. And I actually have one. So I have a Shure microphone from a different kit that I purchased last year that I'm gonna try to, it helps if it's going the right way, that I'm gonna try to use. And this should really up my whole production, like a mini production studio here. So it plugs into the bottom. So now I have a microphone, I have the light, and I have like a mini video production studio down here. I will say, having all of this on here, it is a bit top heavy, so that's where this little belt buckle situation happens. I'm gonna try to move it closer to the camera because it is kind of toppling over having all of this connected. All right. There, that's perfect. All right, I'm gonna try to adjust this camera so y'all can see what I'm seeing, hopefully. All right, so here's what I'm seeing. I have so many cameras going on here, but I want to try to show y'all what this looks like. So I'm in my camera studio here on my camera. I've got the light, I've got the microphone, and so I think this should be a really great thing. So let's do a test, shall we? Hello, Andrea here, recording from my Lume Cube mobile studio. I've got a microphone, I've got a light, and this actually feels pretty cool and professional. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching this Lume Cube video. I gotta move this, hold on. Thank you so much for watching this video, and shout out to Lume Cube for sending me this cool device to check out. If you'd like your own, I'll put a link to it in the description below. And if you do try it out, let me know. I'd love to hear about your mobile creator studio. I'll see you soon for another video. Bye for now.